Now you need some decluttering mantras, right, to keep you in the spirit, and some good music. My favorite is, if I don't love it, need it, or use it, it doesn't deserve a place in my home. Right? Almost everything falls into that category. If you don't love it, need it, or use it, it doesn't deserve a place in my home. Just because something is usable doesn't mean I need to keep it. You may have, for example, let's just say 5 spatulas in your kitchen drawer. Do you really need 5 spatulas? I don't know. Personally, I don't need 5 spatulas in my kitchen drawer, but they're all perfectly still usable and wonderful, so how can you possibly part with them? Same with pens. You probably have 100 pens. I'm not talking about the cute little Haverford Trust pens here. That's separate. Any other pen that you got for free, you have 100 of them, but you can't bear to part with them because they're in perfectly good working order. But I'm here to tell you it's okay. There's wonderful charities out there that will gladly accept your donations, whether it's perfectly good spatulas or several hundred pens. If you keep everything, then nothing is special. If you keep everything, then nothing is special. And this really applies to memorabilia, right? Those things that it's just, there's a lot of them, maybe you inherited them, but there's so many of them. But if you keep everything, then it just loses the sentimental value of it. So maybe just keep a few things. You don't have to keep everything. And I will declutter without guilt, because I am sure that when you give a gift to somebody, you give it with no strings attached. You don't intend for that person to keep that gift forever and ever. And yet so many of us, when we receive a gift for someone, we're like, I can't get rid of it. It was from my mother-in-law. She's going to be really upset. But it's okay to literally let things go guilt-free if you don't love, need it, or use it. Don't care what anyone says.